Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm really sorry for the audio. I am right beside something that's really quite loud, right beside the window, so I do apologise. Anyway, we'll get on with it. Here is my latest drawing for today. So these are the ballet dancers that I'm continuing to do. I am utilising good speed, observational and geometric methods. I believe that these are working out because these are more complex poses that I'm attempting, and I believe it's the best way for me anyway to get these drawings, and also for the proportions, because obviously getting a what's the word, capturing proportions on a body is challenging sometimes, especially when they're pulling different poses and they're dancers. So yes, so good proportions, structure. You can see the different muscles, and the all in all, it was quite a difficult position to try and capture. I'm trying to push myself out the comfort zone, and in doing that I am speeding up my learning experience and methods. So yeah, this is how I am improving very quickly, and these drawings actually only took me I keep on saying drawings or sketches. I'm doing these sketches within 3 minutes each. 3 minutes instead of 4 minutes each, which is what I was doing previously. I am gaining more experience, more confidence, and actually producing them a lot quicker. So I have actually reduced the time for each sketch. So 3 minutes, beg your pardon, each sketch, and then 1 minute for an analysis and a quick summary of how you feel you done essentially. So yeah, if you let me know what you would do, what you think needs to basically capture the sketch, and I shall see you next time. See you later. Bye.